You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this number in French. If you want to learn more confusing French vocabulary and more counting in French, make sure to stay tuned. I've got them all at the end for you. 21 is the French pronunciation. Okay, so 20 is 20. Normally the G and the T at the end of 20 are silent, but because here it is followed by another word that starts with a vowel, then you pronounce the T. It makes like what we call a liaison, okay? So the T to 20 becomes pronounced because it's followed by a vowel. 21. So it would be 21 if you wouldn't pronounce the T. But because you do here, you say 21, 21. Et un means and one, so it's 20 and 1. That's the literal meaning, 20 and 1, 21. So how do you pronounce the number? How do you say 21 in French? 21. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.